Story Sounds.
Welcome back to Cityscape. In this episode, we will take a look at the City Museum in St. Louis, Missouri. Unlike what its name suggests, the City Museum has nothing to do with municipality. The museum was built in what used to be a shoe warehouse downtown. Local artists have repurposed pieces from old buildings to create miles of tunnels, caves, vaults, planes, castles, and other spectacular works of art. The fact that this museum is created out of repurposed materials throughout the city is why it is called City Museum. And this is what we'll be checking out today. Let's go. City Museum was founded by a legendary sculptor and entrepreneur, Bob Cassilly. He bought this building at literally pennies on a dollar, then gathered artists from the community to create this masterpiece we see today. Bob Cassilly was truly a hands-on guy, having personally worked at nearly all this phenomenal artwork that's here today. He unfortunately passed away in 2011, but he still lives with us through his work. The City Museum is a spectacular sight, both on the inside and on the outside. In fact, it has been listed as one of the great public spaces in the world. It is an absolute hit with children. I mean, really, I have never seen children have this much fun in my life. It's not just children who have a ball, adults do too. I had a blast while I was there, and frankly, I did not expect to do so. What I thought was really cool, even genius, was how these artists creatively repurposed all sorts of things. Look at these decorations for an example. These are small electric motors. These planes were obsolete aircrafts donated by the FBI. The vault was donated by the Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis. The staircase handles are made of sliders. Nearly everything here is made up of repurposed material, and that is so cool. So why do I think City Museum is worth a visit? Well, I feel like this location is the first step into learning St. Louis culture. This place will show you what local artists here are capable of doing. It will also teach you a thing or two about the evolution of St. Louis as a city. While you're there, don't forget to check in on Cityscape to get your stamp. Downtown St. Louis was dead for a long time. It is currently going through a rejuvenation thanks to this wonderful collaboration by artists. It is not the first time we've seen a neighborhood be saved by art, whether that be Graffiti Pier or the Magic Garden in Philly. I guess all cities share a similar story. There are tons of things to do here in St. Louis, and I have posted a bunch of places you can visit on the Cityscape app for those of you who are planning a trip. When you do get here though, be sure to make the City Museum one of your first stops. See you next time.